Oh, look at my beautiful oranges blooming out here. Boy, I'm gonna have a lot of them growing this season. My Mandarin Orange. Keep growing, keep growing. I'm so glad the birds don't see y'all, because they last season came over here and was eating you all up. Look at all of these blooms on here. Oh boy, I'm so excited. So big and beautiful. I'm getting excited. Look at my Meyer lemon. Look at all of these nice blooms on here. I'm protecting y'all from them birds. Them birds was coming and eating you up last time. Look at you. Look at you. Okay. Come on, come on. Got some nice blooms on here. Okay. I'm getting excited. Women had to come back. Had to come on the other side. I saw some more blooms. Look at that. Okay. On this back side, y'all got blooms coming up too. Okay, lemons. Come on and grow. Grow, 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 grow. Look at y'all. Y'all showing out this season. All these blooms on here didn't have that many last season. I had to fight the birds who kept coming over here eating them up. That's why I had to put this netting over it. Look at that. Okay. Y'all looking good. Give y'all an update on my sweet potato slips. Look how they're growing. Oh yes. They coming on up there. Looking good, looking good. Sweet potato slips. Here's the other sweet potato slip. In this container, they coming up too. My bell peppers are growing. A lot of leaves right now. Come on, bell peppers, grow for me. Come on, bell peppers. I have some tomatoes over here. I'm I'm going to have to thin them out and put them in some individual pots soon too. Look at my grapevine coming back up. Yes. Green beans coming out of here too. They're growing. My okra. Gotta get them out and do some more sun. Another pot of okra here. Gotta get them into some more sun. Guys, my baby lettuce didn't make it. That test, I only have one still hanging in here. End up adding some more lettuce seeds in this bed. Butter crunch lettuce. Since the baby lettuce had died on me. Didn't have too much luck with my zucchini. They died on me. Got leggy and didn't get them in the ground fast enough. Start them from seed out in the ground when the temperature gets better. The cucumbers did the same thing. Got too leggy and they didn't survive. I have a few that's still hanging in here. Here go my squash over here. I still have a few of the squash. I gotta hurry up and get them in the ground. Here's some more of my cucumbers. Gotta hurry up and get them in the ground. They're getting too leggy on me. Get them some more sun. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe and like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.